Hello and welcome to another episode of Quick Cuts. I'm Josh with US Cutter, and today we're going to be talking a little bit more about how to access those extra clip art features that we showed you how to install yesterday. And then we're also going to be showing you how to use the Arc Text feature that can be found in the VinylMaster LTR, Pro, and DSR versions. So first off, let's start with the Arc Text. To access the Arc Text, you want to go over here to the static toolbar on the left side of your screen. Don't worry if your static toolbar doesn't look like mine. You may just have it set in the standard mode and you want to set it over here to the advanced mode. Once you're in the advanced mode, we're going to go over here to the text options, hold down our mouse button, and that's going to bring down a few more options. And then I'm going to select the Arc Text from this drop-down menu that appears while I'm holding down my left mouse button. With the Arc Text option selected, wherever I point and click my cursor is going to be the center of the circle, and it's going to automatically prompt me to start my typing on the top by default. Now, if I want to change where I'm typing, I'm going to need to access additional text options by either clicking the text tools icon here or from opening it up from the side menu like I do here. I like the side menu open all the time because the first page of it is going to show all my pages or individual objects, and then the second slide over here is going to be the one that I want that's going to have all the important options and menus. This drop down menu here controls the layout, and then I'm going to select text tools options from it. That is going to bring up a new panel, and then from there I want to select text on Arc tab up here from the top, and that's going to give me all my Arc Text options. So once I'm done typing up top, I can just press enter and it's going to take me down to the bottom. Then with the same circle highlighted, if I want to, I can just click the other text options and then you can see the results instantaneously. You can also rotate the circle and reposition it here by using these options over here. But if you want, you can also use the mouse nodes like normal to just, move things around and expand them on the fly. That's how Arc Text works. Let's talk a little bit more about those extras, the clip art and road signs that I showed you how to install in yesterday's video. You can find your clip art and extras over here in the static toolbar. When you select the clip art option, it's going to bring up the in-program library for you to view. The amount of clip art depends on what version of extras you have installed. So LTR is going to have the least, DSR is going to have the most. Next, we have the corporate logos and then the street signs for bonus content. These both work the same, so I'm just going to go with the street signs here. And you're going to select them from the static toolbar. They're going to be right below the clip art options. And it's actually going to open up, the normal open file window. You can preview them here, and if you can't see the image preview when you're trying to select the file, then whenever you installed your VinylMaster software, you opted to not install the VinylMaster thumbnail viewer. And you're going to have to uninstall everything and then reinstall your VinylMaster software to make that happen, or just individually load every image in and then see if you like it or not. Either way works just fine. If you have any sales related questions, please contact our sales team at sales@uscutter.com. And every single item we sell here at US Cutter comes with lifetime support. And you can reach our technical support agents at support@uscutter.com. That's going to do it for today's Quick Cuts video. Thank you so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.